はい、皆さん、こんにちは。Let's start make a simple Japanese sentence from zero. Okay. Let's start from this is a pen. Okay, that's a very simple sentence. Okay, how to make it Japanese sentence, which is これ Okay, this means これ is this. そして a pen. We say just pen. In Japanese language, we don't have this kind of with noun. Okay, so we leave it at this stage. Okay. Well, you might say これです pen. Yes, many students make a mistake for this. Okay. Actually, Japanese sentence has different word order. So, first of all, we need to follow the word order. Typical Japanese sentence start with topic, followed by what, followed by noun, followed by particle, and with verb. So if I organize this sentence based on this sentence structure, this is a pen. This a pen is. Yes, that's a Japanese word order. So you can organize the word order now. これ。そして followed by は and followed by pen. Then followed by this. Then full stop. But thing is, we don't need particle. Particle is like a in, on, at, to. So as you can see, original sentence doesn't have this kind of prepositions. So we just leave it. これはペンです。Then in the previous video, we talked about yes, no question. Okay, let's quickly review what it is. How do you say, is this a pen? Is this a pen? Do you remember? Yes, all you need is just add か to the end of the sentence. か is a Japanese question marker. これはペンですか？これはペンですか？That means, is this a pen? Okay, today we move on to a new sentence, which is, what is this? What is this? Okay, that means we don't know what it is. So all you need is just replace this part with 何 何 That's a keyword for today. 何 means what? 何 means what? But please be careful. Your dictionary said 何 but we don't say これは何ですか？これは何ですか？It makes sense, but native speaker don't say that way. We say これは何ですか？これは何ですか？For native speaker, it's hard to say or uncomfortable to say 何ですか？何ですか？ Instead, we say 何ですか？何ですか？Probably you can remember this way. If it's this, we go with 何。何ですか？何ですか？ We don't say 何ですか？ If it's this, we go with 何。何ですか？ Please remember that way. So, once again, what is this in Japanese? これは何ですか？これは何ですか？Okay, that's a question sentence. これは何ですか？ Okay, when you answer, maybe as you can guess, これはペンです。これはペンです。You can answer that way. これはペンです。Okay, じゃあ once again, how do you say this is a computer. はい。これは何ですか？これはコンピューターです。これはコンピューターです。うん。Okay, today we learn a new sentence. What is this? これは何ですか？これは何ですか？うん。This sentence is very useful when you when you go shopping. Then when you see something new, something unknown, you can ask this question. これは何ですか？これは何ですか？ Please make sure, please don't say これは何ですか？ Please say これは何ですか？はい。I hope you understand today's lesson. If you have any questions, please let me know. はい。ありがとうございました。